Hello friends, we have very important guests here today, directors of the SkyWay, Transport Australia, Rod Hook and Mary Walkup. Hello.
Hi Michael.
Michael, hello, good to see you again.
The same, welcome back in Belarus.
Thank you.
Thank you, it's our fourth time here over the last few years, so always great to come back and see the project being developed further and further.
Just mention, when was the last time that you visited our country?
I was here in March last year, Mari a few months before that, but last time I was here I came with a representative from the Australian Rail Safety Regulators Office, and we were able to ride in a uni bike then and start to introduce the technology into our regulators office, which was a good step forward for us. Now it's I'm back again. It's about 11 months later.
And well, how do you view the progress made by our company in, well, during that period of time? And I know that today you visited our production facility and you were able to see that apart from a unibike and the unibus that we had a year ago, now we have something that wasn't present at that moment. So your impressions are welcome.
The production facility is so much more dynamic, with so much more equipment, so much more plant and progress on developing different pods. So it was exciting to see it. I think when I was last here we were able to get on a bike, a motorised bike, and ride it around the facility. Not the room to do that now. There's a lot being built, and it was great to walk around there and see the progress, but also a lot of the plant that's been bought to help to produce the rolling stock. There's a lot of very expensive equipment there.
Thank you. What was the phrase, Marie, that you used mostly today during a visit? I remember that a year ago you mostly said, "It's amazing, it's amazing."
It's amazing. I've tried not to say amazing. I was impressed, and I said to Alec how impressed I was with the standard of machinery that he's bought and invested in. It's state-of-the-art steel manufacturing machinery, and I will say...
The Formula One technology has that American machines.
Yes, yeah. So Industry 4.0 practices are being implemented at the SkyWay facility, which is amazing. So amazing. And I do... I like the new colours that you're applying to the vehicles, the SkyWay vehicles, the bronze and the white colours look great. So I'm very impressed. So my word was impressed. I'm impressed.
Isn't it great that Mary can fly halfway around the world or all the way around the world to comment on the colours on the rolling stock?
Women. What are your say points of success in Australia? Could you specify a bit?
We continue to talk to governments, to government ministers, to chief executives, often of mining companies. In fact, on the day we flew out of Australia, we had a significant meeting with representatives from a mining company who are looking to start operations to send their product either 350 kilometres by road or 250 k's as the bird flies, which of course SkyWay can deliver. Very keen, very interested in what we're talking about. They've given us the quantities. But we have in Australia, everyone we talk to is interested. I guess the thing that we still need to grapple with is most people say, I'm interested, I just want to see it, I want to see it working. So that's the challenge that we still have. We have a demonstration site here in Belarus, but I think people on our side of the world are just keen to see us build something, have our regulator approve it, and I'm confident it will take off from that initial project.
Thank you. What are your plans for the future, the nearest future? Maybe part of it you've just mentioned, maybe there's something more to it.
Yeah, well, we have a list of delegates that would like to travel to Belarus in a couple of months' time. So we see ourselves back here very soon, probably 8 or 9 weeks' time, with a group of potential clients wanting to ride the system, see the manufacturing plant, meet Anatoly in person, and talk to some of the engineers that will be designing solutions for their needs. So that's a major activity that we're planning very soon. We'd like to also have decided with Anatoly the first project for Australia and start designing and building it this year. That's the goal. That's the ultimate goal.
I think it's also relevant to note, Michael, that since we were last here, we've had the pleasure, the privilege of hosting Anatoly and Victor in Australia, and we've been able to take them around toward a couple of our wineries, but also to show them some of the projects that we think they will be interested in.
Yes.
Were they interested?
Definitely, and the engineers, Anatoly's engineers, have prepared high-level concepts for us that we have discussed with our clients, and we're nearly ready to take the next step. So it was very beneficial for Anatoly to visit Australia. I should also say we're making arrangements for him to visit us again very soon in the near future, so in the next 2 or 3 months, subject to his availability. Anatoly is a very busy man.
That's true.
It is, but I know he's been flying to Dubai and Indonesia, and but we would like to see him in Australia a lot more in the near future.
Thank you. So I wish you success and hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
Thanks, Michael.
Thank you.
Thank you.